this is Harvey Jai from Ask Communication. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to do a comparison booting test between Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Both has S phone, so both are some kinds of Note device, although this is Galaxy S22. Both has 12 GB of RAM inside. We have the power button here. Both has the same place, the power button. Without any further ado, let's hit the power button. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see which one is the winner in this battle. Samsung Galaxy Note 20, I think, is winning. Let's see, still we don't know. No, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the winner in this case. Let me unlock this device and I will check any application is open or not. Here we go. Nothing is open, so I'm gonna shut it down. Here we go. It's done. Same way, I'm gonna shutting down. I check any application is open or not. Nothing is open here as well, so I'm gonna shut this down. There we go. So both phones are shut down. Let's start one more time. I change my hands. There's a power button of S22 Ultra and Note 20 Ultra. Let's see which Ultra is the winner. One more time together. 1, 2 and 3. Let's see which one is the winner. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the winner in this case. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.